Jumping into the world of eBay dropshipping can feel like stepping into a very crowded marketplace. The promise is undeniable: minimal upfront investment, no need to hold inventory, and the freedom to run your business from anywhere. But if it all sounds too good to be true, well, that's because it often is. eBay dropshipping comes with its own set of risks and challenges, especially for newcomers. So, today we'll be exploring the complexities of eBay dropshipping, its potential downsides, and how to navigate them effectively. First, let's clarify what eBay dropshipping means. In this business model, you list products for sale on eBay without actually owning them. When a customer makes a purchase, you buy the product from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. Sounds quite simple, right? Well, there's a lot more beneath the surface. As said right from the start, the promise of eBay dropshipping is still attractive for several reasons. Low startup costs, flexibility to run your business from anywhere, scalability, and the allure of free traffic from eBay's massive marketplace. But the reality is that eBay dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful planning, consistent effort, and an in-depth understanding of the marketplace. So next, we'll be pointing out some of the risks and challenges you might face as a newcomer. One of the first challenges you'll encounter is eBay's strict policies regarding dropshipping. eBay permits dropshipping, but only if you source the items from a wholesale supplier. Buying products from another retailer and having them shipped directly to your customer is against eBay's rules. Violating these policies can lead to account suspension or even permanent bans. So, if eBay suspects that you're not complying with their policies, or if you receive too many negative reviews, they can suspend your account. And trust us, you don't want your account to be suspended. This can break your business, especially if you've invested significant time and resources into building your store. Sourcing from reliable suppliers is crucial to your dropshipping success on eBay, and it's also another challenge. Unreliable suppliers can cause delays, send incorrect items, or provide poor quality products. Managing inventory can also be a nightmare, and staying updated with your supplier's inventory while maintaining good communication is essential but challenging. Also, it's crucial to work with suppliers who can handle returns efficiently, especially since eBay may automatically approve return requests from customers. To avoid complications, make sure your return policy includes a clear return address where customers can send back products. If your supplier cannot provide a reliable return address, you may need to offer one yourself to process these automatically approved return requests. Failing to have a proper return address can lead to significant challenges, so it's essential to address this upfront with your suppliers. One of the biggest complaints customers have about dropshipping is long shipping times, especially if products are coming from overseas. While customers might tolerate a week-long wait, anything beyond that can lead to frustration and negative feedback. Shipping costs can also be unpredictable. Some suppliers offer reasonable shipping rates, but others might charge exorbitant fees, eating into your profits or making your listings less competitive. eBay is a competitive marketplace. As a dropshipper, you'll be competing with other sellers who might be offering the same products, often at lower prices. Standing out in this crowded market requires strategic pricing, excellent customer service, and effective marketing. Additionally, certain product categories are more saturated than others, making it challenging to rank high in search results and attract buyers. Another important factor to consider in the competitive landscape of eBay is the top seller rating. This is a special status that eBay sellers can achieve after successfully fulfilling a certain number of orders with high customer satisfaction. Once you attain this rating, your store benefits from increased exposure, leading to higher sales. However, it's important to note that maintaining this status requires consistent performance. Just a few unfulfilled orders or product quality issues can cause you to lose this rating, which can have a severe impact on your store. Losing the top seller status can result in a significant drop in sales overnight, which could jeopardize the success of your eBay business. Therefore, while striving for this rating can boost your store significantly, it's crucial to be vigilant and maintain the standards required to keep it. Excellent customer service is crucial in maintaining a positive reputation on eBay. However, handling complaints and returns can be challenging when you're not in control of the product quality or shipping process. Make sure you have clear return policies and good communication with your suppliers, and you can mitigate all these issues. Dropshipping often operates on thin profit margins. After accounting for eBay fees, PayPal fees, shipping costs, and supplier costs, your profit might be smaller than expected. Managing cash flow is another challenge, as you need to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover supplier costs before receiving payments from customers. It's important to be aware that eBay may place a temporary hold on your account funds for a few weeks, especially when you're just starting out. This hold is a precautionary measure by eBay to ensure that you are a legitimate seller who reliably fulfills orders. As a result, you won't receive payments immediately after a customer places an order. This means that you'll need to have sufficient funds available to cover the cost of purchasing the products from your suppliers during this period. Proper cash flow management is crucial to ensure that you can fulfill orders promptly while waiting for your payments to be released by eBay. Selling branded products can lead to intellectual property disputes if the products are counterfeit or unauthorized. Ensure that your suppliers provide genuine products to avoid legal issues and protect your business's reputation. If you want to know how you can stay away from selling counterfeit products, read our article about this. You can find the link in the description below. Also, make sure you prioritize suppliers who follow ethical practices to maintain high product quality and uphold your brand reputation. One way you can only work with reliable suppliers is to use dropshipping platforms like AppScenic. We thoroughly vet all our suppliers, making sure they follow strict high-quality standards. To navigate the complexities of eBay dropshipping, you need a solid strategy. Conduct thorough research before jumping in. Build strong relationships with your suppliers and focus on providing an excellent customer experience. Leverage automation tools to streamline operations, such as the ones you can find on AppScenic, and diversify your product range so you don't rely on any single supplier or product category. eBay can be a valuable sales channel, but for beginners, getting started and seeing significant results can be challenging. However, if you're looking to diversify your sales platforms, eBay can be an excellent secondary channel alongside your main store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix. By integrating eBay with another established store, you can leverage its vast customer base while reducing the risks associated with relying solely on one platform. This multi-channel approach allows you to reach more customers and create a more resilient business model. So, we believe, as a newcomer, it's crucial to approach this business model with a clear understanding of the potential risks and a solid strategy for overcoming them. By conducting thorough research, building strong supplier relationships, focusing on customer experience, and leveraging automation tools, you can navigate the complexities of eBay dropshipping and build a successful business. Want to learn more about dropshipping and how to build a successful online store? Check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.